Welcome back. Hi. Another video, Glock 45 again. This time after around about 10,000 shots, I think 10,300 now, I encountered another problem. The slide got stuck backwards, okay, and I couldn't move it backwards or forwards, and went online, and a lot of people saying just to wedge something underneath to, slide the knife underneath between the hammer unit and the slide to get it off. I did do that, but unfortunately what it did was damage the nozzle just there. It damaged it because the knife actually wedged into here, so yeah, I had to get another nozzle. And what it was, this bit here, let me just get something to show you. This bit here broke off, and basically this bit here that does that, broke off and just jammed the slide. So, and this is what the other part looked like. Let's get it out. Yeah, so this bit here with this is like that, and this just broke off. Piece of metal just broke off and jammed the slide. Easy to replace. All you do is take off the screw there and take out the pin there, and then pull this out. You will have a spring here, there, and this lever that goes in like that. Just take this out. That goes in like that, which is this one here. But be careful, this spring is quite tricky to put in while you're putting this lever wherever it is. Okay, so make sure you hold the spring down when you're pushing this in, and then obviously insert this back, put your trigger bar back on this side, and just retighten and put the pin back. Yeah, so that was my problem with the slide getting stuck. It was because this bit of the hammer arm or wherever it is broke off. Suppose probably get more things breaking off now as it's going through thousands of rounds. Mind you, I've had it a year and a half, and it's been good. It's fun to shoot, but obviously things are going to break, and that's how it goes. Yeah, so be careful when you put a knife or something to unblock it, not to go too far, because then you will damage this plastic nozzle thing. And obviously it's got a small spring that goes into this bit here. That bit there it goes in like that. Yeah. All right, so that's it for today. I will be doing other videos, mixed stuff. Cars, I like cars. I like guns. I like computers. Things that I find that might help you and helped me, I'm going to share with you guys. So please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.